Welcome back, guys. We're TrustedShoppingGuy.com, and today we're in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best wire brushes. Are you tired of struggling to remove stubborn materials like rust, paint, and dirt from different surfaces? Well, wire brushes might just be your new best friend. These versatile tools come in all sorts of shapes and sizes, with various types of bristles that make them perfect for heavy-duty industrial work or everyday household cleaning. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the different types of wire brushes and their features, so you can choose the best one for your needs. So grab a cup of coffee and let's get started. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fifth wire brush in our list is the Pixiss Scratch Brush Pen Set, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. There's a solid reason why the Pixiss pen set is called that. Its brushes, specifically, are so little that they really resemble pens or paint brushes. With this brush set, you'll be equipped to tackle any cleaning job with ease. This set includes 4 brushes, each with bristles made of a different material: steel, brass, fiber, and nylon. No matter what type of surface you need to clean, they have got you covered and will provide reliable and effective cleaning every time. Another thing that's great about these pens is that you can adjust the firmness and length of the bristles by simply twisting the end cap, making them versatile for a variety of tasks. Plus, they come with a convenient plastic pocket for easy storage. However, one downside is that the pens themselves aren't labeled, so you'll need to rely on the carry pouch to keep track of which pen is which. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to those looking for an easy-to-use wire brush. The fourth wire brush in our list is the S&R Hand Wire Scratch Brush Set, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you're in need of brushes that can handle different surfaces, you've come to the right place. First off, let's talk about the bristles. The set contains 3 brushes made of steel, tempered steel, and metal fibers. This means that no matter what surface you need to clean, these brushes have got you covered. Plus, they're made of high-quality materials that won't rust or lose their shape even with heavy use. Another great feature of the set is the ergonomic handles. They're designed for comfortable grip and provide a secure hold even when you're using more force. Plus, each handle is color-coded, making it easy to distinguish between the brushes. However, we do have to mention that using wire brushes can be challenging when it comes to holding them steady and stripping paintwork, so make sure you're properly dressed for safety when using these brushes. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for anyone looking for a wire brush that combines functionality and quality. The third wire brush in our list is the Katzco Wire Cut Brush, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you want to remove very stubborn rust, you have to scrub heavily, which can be exhausting. However, with the Katzco Wire Cut Brush, scrubbing becomes a thing of the past. All you have to do is attach the wheel brushes to a drill, and they'll do all the hard work for you. Now let's take a closer look at this brush set. Inside the package, you'll find 2 brushes, a crimp brush and a knotted brush. The crimp brush looks like your typical wire brush, but the knotted one is specifically designed for precision work in narrow spaces, so you get full coverage with these 2 brushes. It's important to note that these brushes are heavy duty, so you might feel some strain in your arm if you're using them for extended periods of time. But if you need to tackle tough rust or grime, these brushes will get the job done. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to those looking for a wire brush that's made of high-quality materials and promises longevity. The second wire brush in our list is the Forney Wire Scratch Brush, which TrustedShoppingGuy.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. When it comes to steel brushes, the Forney Wire Scratch Brush is definitely one of the more popular ones out there. It's durable, it works well on most surfaces, and doesn't rust easily. But you might be asking yourself, why would you even need a carbon steel brush? Well, the answer is simple. Carbon steel brushes are much stronger than their steel counterparts, making them ideal for those tough cleaning jobs. And when it comes to the Forney carbon steel brush, it definitely lives up to its reputation. With a curved wooden handle, it's solid and sturdy, making it easy to grip and use. This one removes rust quickly and easily, and it even has a hole pre-drilled into it for easy hanging when you're done working. However, it's worth noting that while this brush is softer and won't lose its bristles, it may not be the best choice for the toughest stains on concrete. But for everything else, it's a great option that's definitely worth considering. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for anyone looking for a wire brush that's easy to grip. The best wire brush in our list is the Osborn Economy Curved Handle Heavy Duty Scratch Brush, which trusted ShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. Looking for a heavy-duty wire brush that can handle cleaning heavily rusted surfaces? The Osborn Economy Curved Handle Heavy Duty Scratch Brush might be just what you need. Made of stainless steel, it can easily remove rust from grills, metal equipment, and different types of machinery. The wooden handle is slightly curved, making it comfortable to hold even during intense scrubbing sessions. Plus, with a hole on the handle, you can easily hang it in your basement or workshop when not in use. One thing to note is that the brush is rather large, so it may not be suitable for cleaning tighter spots and narrow surfaces. If you need a brush for those types of areas, you may want to consider a different product. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this too, those looking for a wire brush that's comfortable to use. And there you have it, folks. Our best wire brushes, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next wire brush roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.